go on? What doing everyone? Thank you everyone for supporting of my channel. To like and share and do a subscribe. Thank you so much. The weather here is cloudy and kanang sunny. Firas, who is this? Firas, hindi ko mabasa ang pangalan mo. I cannot read your name. Hello, beautiful driver. Can you? Driver. Okay. Brum, brum, brum. Shh, brake. Clutch. That's it. So, brum, brum, brum. Ariel Medina. Hello. Thank you all for coming. My live streaming now. Brum, brum, brum. Nging, nging, nging. Shh. You brum, brum my heart. Oh. So, my hair is so curly. Look at what happened. I'm going outside. So that's why I cut my live streaming. Cool, it's cute. Oh, look at that. Anyway, my hair is long, but I cut too short. It's going too long again. But I don't I like to put the color. Yeah, it's long, it's beautiful. I cut my hair because so very hot. Then now my hair is going too long, so I cannot cut this. And it's good. I don't know if I color my hair or not. Still cute. Still cute. Thank you. But so very scratchy my itchy. So very itchy my scalp. Thank you my 8 viewers for coming and watching my live stream. Thank you for the heart spreading on my screen. Thank you so much. Uy, Tyron Price, you here? Thank you. Dangling. I have here a indoor slipper. Thank you for the heart spreading on my screen. Last day, I'm making a live streaming. Then yesterday and now, I'm everyday making the live streaming. For today's 3 days. Oh, thank you so much, Tyron Price, for always watching my old videos every day, every minute, every hour, every second, every minute, every hour. Wait, thank you, my 16 viewers. Thank you so much. Si Amarus, I love you kuno. Why you an thank you for the love of my channel, everyone. Si Oscar Daniel, you here? Hi. Let's bridge. Roland, how are you doing? During live stream? No, Roland. During live stream? No, Roland. Hello, beautiful. Hi to you, Oscar Daniel. Thank you for the heart spreading on my screen. Hello. I love you, my heart. I love you, my heart. Thank you, everyone, for the love of my channel. Miss Spiritai, Tyron Price. How are you? Thank you for always watching. Good to hear you that you are good. From San Luis Potos. You're San Luis? Oh, aba. Hello, hello, 12 viewers. Maybe the others is busy to their work or it's night in their place. It was sleepy. We're not same on day and time. Prof. Deodar Shield. Yes, it's a tickle if there's someone tickle my feet. Oh, I have 19 viewers. Hi, 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 hi. Thank you for coming. Spreading the heart to my screen. Thank you so much. Subiri, katul, itchy. Ooh. Look at the red one. Wait, MFP, MFP. You're so smiling, huh? You're so good. You're good your day now. Black lizard. Hey. Yes, of course. It's red color. It's my favorite too. It's your bet also. The red color. It's your bet also. Black lizard. MFP, you're smiling, huh? Those your feet get itchy sometimes? Yes, of course. Why you don't? Your feet don't itchy sometimes your feet? 'Cause 14 viewers. Thank you for coming my live stream. Hi. Sometimes red is good color for your toast. Oh, it's sometimes. Yeah, it's look good. Look at that. It's looking good to my nail toast. Check in. Yeah. Thank you so much, Chucky. Thank you, thank you. If my live streaming is getting at 20 minutes, I end my live stream. It is 17:44:45. You should do more live stream at this time. More I try. If why jack in? You need more my live streaming. I see you like to flex your toes a lot. Yes, that's my content, and then to fashion the shoes, flats, to show what the color of my nails, to cut my nails. That's it. Uy, we use Chino. I uh I uh I cut my nails, my two nails, because this broke off. So that's why I cut. Look my nails. Yes, goddess. You sent me a costume video one time. I forgot. What's those costume? Si Jack, what costume is that? You you request on me? Because the name of your YouTube channel is not same, so that's why you sent me a custom video one time. It was so hot. Thank you that you are and that you are like the custom you're requesting on me. Thank you. Chuck in. Chuck in. Oh, it's 20. It is at 20 minutes. So I need to end my live streaming. And next time again. See you my next live. Birthday. 8 likes. Yeah. I got 8 likes. Where's it? I need to get another one. Ah, you lose the. Why you lose the videos? If you need another one, just message. I'm happy that I got 8 likes. I'm getting 19 viewers. Si MFP. How are you? Why you don't kuan na? You forgot your email? You forgot your email? Get a like from me. Thank you, Black Wizard. Thank you for the like. Thank you so much. Serious si Gino. Wear green, white, green, white, green, white slipper. Green, white or green, black? Gino. I don't have a green white slippers. I have here a green black. That's it. Thank you for child, 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 child. Si child. Dr. Child ba yan? Ooh. You is smiley fruit child. Child. It's a child. Yeah, okay. It's a child. Si child, si Dr. Child. From Dr. Child. Thank you, my 11 viewers. Miss Purita, you have such a beautiful personality. Thank you so much, Tyrone Price. Sweet smile. How often do you usually live stream? What kind of often? I often to do someone's bad commenting on me. That's it. I'm making a live stream for the good vibes and positive. That's it. That's I want in my live streaming. Positive and good vibes. That's it. Oh, I have 10 likes. Thank you so much, and 11 viewers. Thank you. Excuse me. Barfing for tummy. Actually, eating ko ang lunch break. if anyone gonna end my live stream. See you my next live stream. Thank you for the like and share and to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you all for the support on my channel. See you next time. Stay positive, yeah. Stay positive. Thank you. Gino. Gino. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a good one. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much.